Morning guys. So yesterday we cleaned the engine room and we started giving it the treatment. We are using Brunox now instead of the old one because we couldn't find, there's no stock at the moment. So today we'll continue one coat of Brunox, and after 2 hours we will give a second coat of Brunox, and then in the evening we try to give the Chemco paint that we are using one coat. So Ian just arrived now.
Bonjour.
Morning.
Morning. Għadna. Brunox.
Alright, tajt.
Saddat reġa.
Isu saddat. Let's measure the deck. Here we are measuring the deck since we were modifying our tender boats that we will have on board Royal Atenea. So in order to have a correct measurements, we double check the deck on the length, because our tender boat at the moment is 9 feet, but we will extend it to 11 feet, and that is the area that we have available. And also we will have 2 tenders, one on each side if we want, or we can put one on the platform at the stern of the boat and one on the deck. But for long voyages we prefer to have them both on the deck, as it's much safer and more secured. So we're 11 feet. So
Hey guys, we're on the Atenea today. We just ordered some food, so we're hungry. So today we are cleaning, doing the cleaning. So we start preparing for painting. As next week, tomorrow we're gonna give the first coat. We need to give 3 coats in here, and hopefully on Thursday we start placing the lead back in place. Plus we had a lot of lead scattered all around the boat, and we're gonna place it all in here nice and neatly, because we need to get everything ready before we start closing this section, the port side. We're gonna also have to go and load the steel and take it for blasting. I'm gonna take you inside now, because we're also doing the engine room, because while I will be painting in here, Daniel is gonna be painting the engine room. Okay, we're in. Those are ready, inlets and outlets of the grey water tank. We need to clean the grey water tank to give it another 3 coats as well. Daniel almost got the engine room ready for painting. It's looking very nice. Next step, also the drains from the deck, from the cockpit. I'm gonna cut them from the top, have a union there. unscrew the valve, put a new valve and a union as well, as we're gonna make this piece of pipe from here up. It's gonna be removable. We're gonna do 1, 2 and 3. The fourth one we're gonna try, but if we don't manage, we're gonna do it once we have the engine out. That's from the engine room for now. I'm gonna take you back out. As you can see, you can pass from here. We made this removable so it can be opened as well. We're gonna have another one over here. But this is gonna be welded fully, I guess. We haven't 100% decided on that. Stuck in here. And here we're gonna close this section from here all the way up. We're gonna close it watertight. Then we're gonna have one over here in 2 halves that you can bolt out, that you can open as well. This hole over here will be a bit bigger and we'll thread it and have a tap in there so we can close it. But then if we need to inspect, we open this one and we'll put the camera with the wire and we can check what's happening down here as well. Plus we're gonna have a pickup from here as well that goes to the manifold, bilge manifold in the engine room. But we'll keep you updated all about the work and what we're doing, the modifications also we're doing to make it safer and better and for easier maintenance in the future. Blue knock sink. Second coat of blue knocks being applied.
The area was ready for painting with the Chemco paint after we give it 2 coats of Brunox. Chemco paint applied. Now tomorrow we'll give the second coat. And then in the evening we'll do a top coat before we put the lead. So maybe Thursday we'll put the lead in.
Food arrived. Bolt or Volt?
Bolt.
Today Owen Brown Jack is closed. It's Sunday today.